On January 5, 2026, the world of astronomy was set ablaze. NASA released the sharpest images ever captured of an interstellar visitor. Montage of news headlines from January 6, 2026, cuts to a high-resolution, grainy but detailed image of a spindle-shaped object with glowing vents. At 7 billion years old, 3I ATLAS predates our own solar system by eons, but as the images hit the public domain, a familiar rift reopened. Is this a rock, or is it technology? Today, we look at the data from the 8 spacecraft fleet that tracked it, and why Harvard's Avi Loeb says we are looking at the smoking gun of extraterrestrial intelligence. A global effort visual, a 3D map of the solar system showing 3I Atlas passing through. Icons of 8 satellites blink into existence. James Webb, Hubble, and 6 deep space probes. To capture 3I Atlas, humanity didn't just use one eye. An unprecedented coalition of 8 spacecraft, including the James Webb Space Telescope and the European Space Agency's Comet Interceptor coordinated a simultaneous multi-angle photo shoot. Visual split screen showing infrared, ultraviolet, and visible light spectrums of the comet. What they found was impossible. Most comets are dirty snowballs, venting gas uniformly as they heat up. Radio signals and surface geometry visual close-up reconstruction of the comet's surface. It looks metallic, with geometric ridges and strange dark depressions. Then there's the radio data. During its closest approach, a dedicated scan detected a narrow-band radio signal. Dr. Avi Loeb in an interview clip or stock footage of a scientist, but Dr. Avi Loeb of the Galileo Project isn't buying the ice explanation. Loeb points out that the cracking follows a mathematical sequence. He argues the object S10:1 aspect ratio, width S long and thin like a needle, is structurally improbable for a natural comet. He suggests we are seeing a light sail or a derelict probe, its 7 billion-year-old hull scarred by billions of years of cosmic dust. A versus graphic, NASA logo versus the Galileo Project logo. Narrator. The tension between the institutions is at an all-time high. NASA's official stance remains conservative. 3I ATLAS is a nitrogen-rich fragment from a distant exopluto. They argue the maneuvering is simply the result of uneven ice pockets vaporizing. Visual animated diagram showing natural outgassing versus propulsion. Narrator. Loeb counters that the sheer speed of 3I ATLAS entering our system at over 40 kilometers per second and its lack of a visible comet tail or coma makes the ice theory weak. 7 billion years of history visual, slow-motion animation of 3I Atlas traveling through deep, empty space, passing nebulae and dying stars. It has been drifting in the void since before Earth even existed.
Deep, empty space, passing nebulae and dying stars. Narrator, perhaps the most chilling detail is its age. Isotopic analysis suggests 3I Atlas formed 7 billion years ago. It has been drifting in the void since before Earth even existed. Visual, zoom in on the January 5th images. If it's an artifact, it's a message from a civilization that might have gone extinct before our sun was even born. What happens next? Visual, the comet moving away, fading into the blackness of the outer solar system. Narrator, 3-Eye Atlas is now heading back into the interstellar dark. We won't get another chance like this for decades. Whether you believe NASA's ancient ice theory or Loeb's extraterrestrial tech hypothesis, one thing is certain: the January 5th images have permanently shifted our perspective of the neighborhood. Visual, text on screen, what do you think? Natural or artificial? We are no longer just looking at the stars, we are looking at what they're sending us. For more updates on the 3-Eye Atlas data, subscribe and check out the NASA JPL Small Body Database for live tracking.